Okay, guys, so this is the next project that I'm working on. This is going to be a pencil skirt, guys, and it's going to be a little longer. And you guys see I got it pinned down. So this is the skirt part. This is the tube top part, guys. You see this? This is the tube top part that goes off the shoulders. And if you see, elastic is going to go through here, guys. And then these are the sleeves that is going to be connected, okay? And then these pieces is going to be like the ruffle suspenders, these two pieces. So, guys, I got all of my pieces pinned together. And when I put the project together, I will let you guys see what to do. So this is going to be, you need 2 pieces for your skirt, 2 pieces for your top, 2 pieces for your sleeve, and 2 pieces for like the suspenders that goes up over the shoulders around like that, guys. So you guys stay tuned. That is the next project to come, and it is a sky blue. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so this is the outfit that I'm continuing to put together, guys. So this is the top, crop top. And if you guys see, I have one sleeve already connected, and it's going off the shoulder. But if you guys see, the little opening right here is where the other sleeve is going to go in, which is right here, guys. This sleeve is going to go in, and I'm going to connect that sleeve. And if you guys see, then I will have 2 sleeves. And then, guys, I'll have to hem the bottom. So this is the pencil skirt, guys. So if you guys see the pencil skirt that I have. And I am going to connect. You see, these ruffles is going to go up over like suspenders. And then this top is going to be in the inside, guys. So this is so far what I have. I just wanted to show you guys all the pieces assembled. So I assembled this to the front and back side of the dress. So now I have to hook this side, guys, because it's going to go up over like suspenders. Like this, guys. And it's going to go up over like that. So, kind of showing you guys kind of what I got. And guys, I want to say this. When you guys are making your clothes, you're making them the way you desire them. The way you like them. You're not making them for other people. So, meaning that when you design your stuff from scratch, and I know I probably didn't say that right, you're designing them the way that you like them, guys. So, when people go to giving you advice and comments, it's like, oh, it shouldn't be this way, it shouldn't be that way. It needs to be exact the way that you want it, because you are designing this piece with your own creation. So if you want it to be tight, you make it tight. If you want it to be loose, you make it loose. So it kills me when people have an opinion about something that you're creating. So it's not like you're following a traditional pattern and then you go to do something different. You're making this the exact way that you want it, guys. So I wanted to give you guys, kind of show you guys how that this is coming along. And you guys know when I get it all complete, I will put it on and show you guys how it looks. But I'm designing this for me, not for no one else. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the finishing project. I just want to show you guys how it's coming along. Bye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished results of the dress that I was working on, guys. And it is truly adorable, guys. I love it. So remember, the skirt is not connected to the shirt. So I put on the shirt with the sleeves, and they're more like half sleeves. It goes over it, and your arms go through, guys. And the ruffles. I'm all for these ruffles, guys. I'm truly in love with the ruffles, guys. So this is the unit. And remember, guys, you guys can make this in any colors. And if y'all wondering how to make this, go click on that fuchsia dress, and you guys can get the how I make these ruffles like this, guys. But I truly love this. It is adorable, it is beautiful, and it is different. So guys, when you're making your clothes, again, we making them designed for us. So we make them to fit the way we want it to fit. So I designed this. I wanted the skirt to be this tight. I wanted the top to be this tight. I wanted the ruffles to be like this. I wanted the sleeves to be like this because we're designing it. So we're not following a traditional pattern. So when you're designing, guys, design the way you like, what you want to wear. So you can't worry about what other people's opinion is. When you're designing something, make it unique to you. And when you walk outside, you love wearing it. So that's when I make my clothes, I don't, you know what I mean? Like everybody has an opinion. I get it. You know, they can like it or not like it. But when I'm making my clothes, I make them for me, what I enjoy and what I would like to wear. So this is the finishing results, guys. And thank you guys so much. And God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the finishing result of the sky blue tube top sleeve ruffle pencil dress. It is actually a two-piece, so you can actually wear the skirt separately if you wanted to just wear the skirt, and if you wanted to wear the top, it's not connected. But this is a little number that I thought was really cute and different. I definitely love to do different. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, God bless, guys. Create beautiful projects. So remember, if you want to create this ruffle, follow that fuchsia dress, and you guys can see how to create those ruffles. So thank you guys so much. And as always, God bless. Happy sewing, guys. Bye-bye.